Ever wondered how investing in Berkshire Hathaway could change your financial future? The world of investment is a vast and complex universe, but within its galaxies of opportunities, some stars shine brighter than others. One such luminary is Berkshire Hathaway, a beacon of financial success that has consistently outperformed the market for more than half a century. This isn't just a company, it's a testament to the power of sound, long-term investment strategies. It's a story written by legendary figures like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, who transformed a struggling textile mill into a multinational conglomerate. Their journey is a roadmap to financial success, a guide to navigating the unpredictable waters of the investment world. Investing in Berkshire Hathaway is more than just financial speculation. It's a ticket to a future of financial stability and wealth. So, are you ready to change your financial future? Join us as we embark on a journey through the history and success of Berkshire Hathaway. Before we delve into its success, let's understand the roots of Berkshire Hathaway. In the year 1839, Oliver Chase founded a textile manufacturing company in Rhode Island. This company, later known as Berkshire Hathaway, was born out of the Industrial Revolution's heart. It produced fine cotton and later diversified into producing denim, a staple in American wardrobes. However, by the mid-20th century, the textile industry was in decline. The company was struggling, making it a ripe target for corporate raiders. Enter Warren Buffett, a young investor from Omaha, Nebraska. In the early 1960s, Buffett began buying shares in Berkshire Hathaway. He was attracted by the company's undervalued assets, a key principle in his value investing approach. By 1965, Buffett had accumulated enough shares to take control of the company. But this wasn't just another acquisition for Buffett. There was a personal element to it. You see, Buffett had a bone to pick with the then management of Berkshire Hathaway. The management had reneged on a deal to buy back Buffett's shares at a certain price, and this didn't sit well with our investor from Omaha. So he did what any self-respecting investor would do. He bought the company. But this was more than just a sweet victory for Buffett. He saw potential in Berkshire Hathaway beyond its dying textile operations. He began using it as a holding company to invest in other businesses. Insurance, media, food and beverages, you name it, Berkshire Hathaway invested in it. Buffett's strategy was simple but brilliant. He invested in businesses with strong fundamentals and left their management teams to do what they did best. He provided the capital, and they delivered the profits. This approach turned Berkshire Hathaway from a struggling textile manufacturer into a global conglomerate. This marked the beginning of a new era for Berkshire Hathaway, steering it towards unprecedented success. With Warren Buffett at the helm, Berkshire Hathaway embarked on a journey of incredible growth. Upon acquiring control in the mid-1960s, Buffett steered the company away from its textile roots and towards the world of investments. His strategy was simple yet effective: buy companies with strong earnings and low prices. This approach, often referred to as value investing, set the stage for Berkshire Hathaway's impressive growth trajectory. Buffett's first major investment was in the insurance industry, a sector known for its steady cash flow. He purchased National Indemnity Company and soon after Geico. These acquisitions provided a constant source of capital, allowing Berkshire Hathaway to make further investments and acquisitions in various sectors. Buffett's genius, however, was not confined to insurance. He saw potential in areas often overlooked by others. He bought shares in American Express during a financial crisis, invested in Coca-Cola when it was underappreciated, and even ventured into railways with the purchase of Burlington Northern Santa Fe. Each of these investments was made based on Buffett's belief in the company's intrinsic value and his conviction that their shares were undervalued. Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio soon diversified into sectors like utilities, retail, manufacturing, and even tech, with a significant stake in Apple. This diversification reduced the company's risk and allowed it to weather economic downturns more effectively. Moreover, Buffett's leadership style played a crucial role in the company's success. He gave his managers autonomy, encouraging them to think like owners. This fostered a culture of entrepreneurship, driving innovation and growth within the businesses. Under Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway also maintained a strong focus on ethics and integrity. Buffett believed that reputation was a company's most valuable asset, and he was committed to upholding the highest standards of corporate behavior. Berkshire Hathaway, under Buffett, transitioned from a struggling textile company to a global conglomerate. In the process, it has become a symbol of long-term success, a testament to the power of value investing, and a beacon of ethical conduct. It's a story of transformation that continues to inspire investors around the world. Berkshire Hathaway's success isn't just about smart investments, but a testament to the power of long-term investing. This is the philosophy that has guided one of the most successful companies in the world and made its founder, Warren Buffett, a legend in the world of finance. But what is long-term investing, you might ask? At its core, it's about the belief in the power of compounding, the snowballing effect where your earnings generate even more earnings over time. It's about investing in solid, well-run companies and then holding on to those investments for many years or even decades, allowing the magic of compounding to do its work. And there's no better example of this than Berkshire Hathaway itself. Since the early 60s, the company has been steadily investing in a diverse range of companies. From insurance and utilities to food and clothing, each investment was carefully chosen for its potential to generate steady returns over the long haul. But it's not just about picking the right companies. It's also about the patience to resist the temptation to sell when things get tough. In fact, during the many market downturns over the years, instead of panicking and selling off assets, Berkshire Hathaway has often done the opposite, buying more when prices were low. This counterintuitive approach has been key to its long-term success. Of course, long-term investing isn't without its challenges. It requires a great deal of patience and a strong belief in your investment strategy. It's not for those looking for quick profits or instant gratification, but if you can stay the course, the rewards can be substantial. Take a look at Berkshire Hathaway's track record. Over the past 5 decades, the company's per-share market value has skyrocketed, significantly outperforming the S&P 500. This extraordinary growth is a direct result of its long-term investment strategy. In conclusion, Berkshire Hathaway is a shining example of how patience and long-term investment can yield extraordinary results. It's proof that with the right strategy and a little bit of patience, anyone can build wealth over the long term. And who knows, maybe even become the next Berkshire Hathaway. So what does this mean for you as an investor? Let's dive into the benefits of investing in Berkshire Hathaway. The first thing that might come to mind is the potential for high returns. The company's track record speaks for itself. Over the past 5 decades, its growth rate has massively outpaced the broader market. This is largely attributed to the investment wizardry of Warren Buffett and his team, who have a knack for picking undervalued companies and sectors ripe for growth. But high returns aren't the only advantage. Stability is another key feature that makes Berkshire Hathaway a compelling investment. Unlike many other companies that rise and fall with economic tides, Berkshire Hathaway has demonstrated an uncanny ability to weather financial storms. This resilience is largely due to its diverse portfolio of companies, spread across various industries. This diversification provides a safety net, helping to cushion the blow during tough economic periods. Then there's the opportunity to be part of a successful conglomerate. Investing in Berkshire Hathaway is akin to buying into an exclusive club of successful businesses. The company's portfolio includes everything from insurance and utilities to food and clothing brands and even a railroad. By investing in Berkshire Hathaway, you're essentially getting a piece of all these businesses. But perhaps the most significant benefit is the learning experience. Berkshire Hathaway's annual shareholder meetings, lovingly referred to as Woodstock for capitalists, are a treasure trove of wisdom. Here you can gain insights into the minds of some of the world's most successful investors. So are you ready to take the plunge? Remember, investing always comes with risks. It's important to do your own research and consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before making any investment. Investing in Berkshire Hathaway could be a game changer for your financial future. But as with any investment, the key is to stay informed, stay patient, and stay the course. Happy investing. Investing is more than just making money. It's about making smart choices. And what better choice could there be than a company with an illustrious history and a reputation for steady, long-term growth? Berkshire Hathaway, birthed in the textile industry, transformed under the guidance of Warren Buffett into a powerhouse of diversified investments. It's not about quick profits, but the power of long-term investing. The Buffett era has shown us the potential of patience and prudence, turning a failing business into a global giant. It's a testament to the impact that one smart investment can have on your financial future. Berkshire Hathaway continues to thrive, demonstrating the potential benefits for investors. It's a golden opportunity to be part of a company that values stability and growth, rewarding investors with a promising financial future. Remember, the future of your finances could be just one investment away. Make that investment count.